Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to fix if your uh, music option is not available on the Instagram story. So this is the new feature by the Instagram. So if you want to avail this feature on your Instagram, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Instagram and update your Instagram from here. So this is the way, and after that you have to go to the Instagram and click on your story and click a picture in the story, and here you will see a music icon. But if you will not see that icon after updating the application, it means this feature is not available in your country right now, because this feature is available for limited countries yet. So wait for it. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.